Well, good morning from Varanasi. Today we're heading towards Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh from Uttar Pradesh. We're en route and it's a Tuesday morning. Time right now it's 10:30 a.m. Stay tuned. We'll see how things go.
Well, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube, that's Mahaneet, and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. And of course, not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have any comments, do write below on the comment section. Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet.
Well, we're trying to find a waterfall just off the highway near Mirzapur. Let's see how it is. Well, that was the waterfall. We saw the drone shots. Stay tuned as we drive along to Jabalpur. Huh? Smile karo. Well, we are in Madhya Pradesh and just stopped for lunch. About 300 kilometers from Jabalpur, where we're staying over for the night. At the dhaba, having lunch in Madhya Pradesh. We are near to Jabalpur right now, about 150 kilometers. The roads are good in Madhya Pradesh, heading towards Maharashtra. Tomorrow we'll be at Bench. Well, also follow me on social media. Follow me on social media. On Instagram it's Djmahaneet, and also my Facebook fan page is also Djmahaneet. Send me a like. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet, and today is an exciting day. We are near Jabalpur. This is on the banks of the Narmada river, and there's a beautiful waterfall we're going to explore, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And there's marble rocks around here. There's a lot of rocks of marble, like hills and mountains. So stay tuned and keep watching as we explore our journey from the northeast toward the south, and we head towards Pinch coming up next. So this is part of the Northeast Fantasy series, and today is the Wednesday. The time right now is 8:25. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd December. Closing on to Christmas and New Year. Well, it's freezing cold in here Jabalpur, and we're waiting for the gates to open as it's very early at the fall, the Dhuandhar waterfalls of Narmada river, just before the marble rocks. Well, this is the Dhuandhar fall as we are trekking towards the fall. The morning sunrise over the falls. These are all marble rocks. A beautiful Dhuandhar fall. The Dhuandhar falls once again. Hope you like the drone shots. If you do like my videos, do hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates in all my videos. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. And also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook fan page is also Djmahaneet. Cheers. See you. Well, hope you liked this Northeast Fantasy series. Keep watching. We have a couple of more episodes. And that's it from Jabalpur. From here we're going to be going to Pench National Park, which is also part of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So see you on the other side. Goodbye.